Let's make some good looking hair material in this video. So here I have my head with some hair on it, and first thing I would like to do is I would like to disable this extra so that all those lights disappear and doesn't distract us. Now I will add another material in the material slot, and let's call this hair. And in the particles tab, I will select my hair particle system, and I will come down here to render, and I will set my material to hair. Now let's change this timeline to the shader editor, and here we have this Principled BSDF shader which we do not want at all, so I will get rid of it. I will press Shift A and add a new Principled Hair BSDF. That's what we're looking for. Let's connect it to the material output, and right off the bat it gives us something good looking. But to make it even look better, what we want to do is we want the bottom of our hair strands to have a darker color, and as we go above it should get lighter. Okay, so that's how real hair looks. That's how the hair looks in the real world, right? So the way we can do that is by adding a curves info node, and if we connect the intercept to the color, and if we add a color ramp between these two, you'll see that we get what we want, right? So in the bottom it's dark, and as it goes above it's getting lighter. That's exactly what we want. And now we can simply change the colors to our liking. So I want the bottom part to have a dark brownish color, so it's gonna be really saturated, a bit towards the brown. The value is gonna be really dark, and I'm gonna copy the hex value, Control C, and paste it to this other one here. And this one I will make it really light. I will increase the value, I will decrease the saturation, bring it here, bring my darker one here, maybe add one more, and we can make this a bit darker as well. And you can play with these as much as you want. Okay, you can have more sliders if you want, and really it's all about just playing and seeing what you like. Okay, so to me this looks fine. Let's hit render and see how it looks. And there we have it. This looks really good. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I upload such blended tutorials every single day, so subscribe.